Alright, so here it is. The Senville 4-ton air conditioning condensing unit for the mini split. There are 5 accessory kits and 5 9,000 BTU ductless inside units, and we're going to replace a 4-ton package unit with a 4-ton mini split. Get rid of gas heat, and these are heat pumps, so they will work for winter and summer. Hopefully they are very efficient, and this house doesn't have any more problems. Okay, this is the master bedroom with that zone. Corner bedroom with another 9,000 BTU. Middle bedroom with another 9,000 BTU. A living room with 9,000 BTU. And the kitchen with a 9,000 BTU. There's the master bedroom. Corner bedroom. Running already cool in here. Third bedroom. Living room. And the kitchen. Very quiet.
I'm gonna need a